My name is Gigi Morales, and I am an author and illustrator of children's books. Children's books are my passion, and I'm really happy that I'm visiting all this area here, starting from Seattle and doing a little mini tour, visiting different areas and visiting children at the libraries and their schools, and just having a celebration. That's what we've been doing today. These days. Today we are here at the library waiting for some children to come. We are going to have a couple of events. Tonight we have one in Pasco, in which we are just pretty much just going to be celebrating that we love reading, that we love creating, that many of us like writing or making pictures and illustrations, and that we can do it all together here in one same place, like a place like the libraries.